Alright, good morning YouTube fam. Mr. Sticky Fingers here. I'm about to head out to Malcolm Smith in Riverside, and I'm so excited this morning. My Aprilia is ready. It went to the shop to get it was leaking oil. Let me go back. My Aprilia has been in the shop for a couple weeks because it had an oil leak. And for some of you who know, I was getting ready to take it to the track, but noticed it had an oil leak the day before. So instead of taking the Aprilia, I took the Ducati. So a couple weeks ago, took the Aprilia up to Malcolm Smith. They diagnosed the problem as a couple gaskets, seals that were broken. So they contacted Aprilia. Aprilia sent the parts, and they called me yesterday and said it's ready. So I'm gonna head up there with my daughter. She's driving the Tesla, and then we're gonna go pick up the Aprilia. So really excited to finally get that bike back. So once I get up there, I'll turn the back camera back on and let you guys see it. All right, YouTube fam, it is back. I finally got her back. Finally got this beauty back. Aprilia RS 660. So they found 2 oil leaks. One right here. And then they had to replace the shock here because there's an oil leak. And then right here by the cover. So they said it's fixed, and I was lucky to get the parts right away. It only took like a week to get the parts. Sometimes the parts on these Aprilias take 6 months, so thank God that it was done. So finally get to ride it. I am so excited. Finally get her back. How's it going?
What's up, dude?
Finally got her back.
Nice.
Yeah.
For service?
Yeah, it was the oil leaks.
Oh.
They had 2 oil leaks. Yeah.
Awesome.
So.
I like we did to it.
Yep. Put the.
That's all SC projects, yeah.
Yeah.
Exhaust SC project? Yeah. Dang.
Yeah. Yep. I think that's the best one for this bike.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Yeah. Yeah.
We're doing a ride soon next week or this weekend. I'll send you the details because I'm not sure what they are. I'll send you details when I get back.
Okay. All right. Cool. Thanks.
Are you going or? Oh my gosh, I love this bike. It's so much different. I gotta get used to the clutches a little bit looser. It extends a little bit further out. The seat is much more comfortable. The SC project, in my opinion, it's still the best exhaust out there. I got the Acura on the Ducati, and it sounds great. Don't get me wrong. I'm not minimizing all the other exhausts out there, but just in my opinion, the SC project has a really good sound, and the pops on it are really good, really nice. It's nice. Yes, sir. Oh, this bike is fun. Gotta clean it. Gotta clean the Aprilia and the Ducati. Got a bike behind me. So good. No oil leaks. I thought I smelled something, but guess it wasn't. It wasn't oil. I love this bike. Well, anyway, guys, those pops. Anyway, thanks guys for watching. I am so happy that I got her back. They're Aprilia. Love it. It's a fun bike. It's just it's two different types of bikes, so it's always fun to ride both. Thanks again for watching, and please let's get the channel to 500. Keep pushing there. And God bless. Do what you can do now. Don't wait. Peace.